Good morning to all. Please be seated, ma. Please be seated. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Happy Teachers'
Happy
Day.
Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Thank you, really. And a small memento, small
Thank you
gift
so
for,
much, ma'am. Thank you.
for your service in the school, ma.
Thank you.
Yes. Small memento for
Thank you,
your
ma'am. Thank you
service
so
in the
much.
school. Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am. Please be seated. Really, I thank God for giving me such wonderful teachers. Last year we had so many teachers, 10 of us. Now this year, because of this corona and lockdown, we are only 3 of us. Okay, it's okay. So I really very happy to celebrate Teachers' Day because I am very proud to be a teacher. Always I am proud to be a teacher because we know we are dealing with the innocent love. We get pure love from children. Really, they love us a lot. When we see them loving, give with gifts, and that smile itself, we are so happy. I feel I'm so blessed to be among the children always. We forget all the worries and everything. Even if we are sick, we forget the pains and the sufferings when we look at them. So really God has blessed us, I feel. So I'm always proud to be a teacher. I thank God for making me a teacher. So a mother leaves her child only with a teacher.
Yes.
So the whole day they are with us actually. We know each and every actions, emotions of the children. We know their pains, sickness. Even if they are happy, we can find out. Even if they have not done the homework also, at one sight we can find out. So we are very happy. And you tell me, why did you choose to be a teacher?
I like teachers, ma'am. I choose a teacher profession because it's a lifelong learner.
Yes. Very
So
good.
I choose a teacher profession.
Well said. Thank you, ma'am. You, why did you choose to be a teacher?
I choose teaching because being with children, it's like to enward perpetual youth.
Yes, of course. We feel young with the children, no, always. And நம்ம மற்ற ப்ரொஃபஷன்ஸில் நிறைய சம்பாதிச்சா கூட the satisfaction we get from the teaching profession, it's not equal to in any profession in this world. I can say that. Proudly I can say that. Because நம்ம நிறைய பணக்காரங்களாகலாம், நிறைய சம்பாதிக்கலாம், பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணலாம். But when our old student comes with a degree saying that I am a doctor, madam, I am a student, I am your second standard student, they may say like that. So that time, no, when we see our student becoming a great person in the society, that satisfaction is really priceless and it's a wonderful feeling. So we are making so many professions. இல்லையா? The teacher மாத்திரம்தான் ஒரு பெரிய ஆள் வரும்பொழுது அவங்கள பார்த்து பொறாமப்படாமல் இருக்கிறதையும் என்னோட குழந்தை இவ்வளோ பெரிய வளர்ந்துருக்காங்களேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு we feel more happy than jealous or something else. இல்லையா? ஸோ அது மாதிரி நான் இப்போது இந்த ஸ்கூலில் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் இவ்வளோ வருஷங்களில் ஆயிரக்கணக்கான ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸை நான் க்ரியேட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இன்னமும் நாங்கள் அந்த ஸ்கூல் குரூப் இருக்குது, இப்போ ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப் இருக்குது. அப்போ விஷ் பண்ணும்பொழுது அந்த குழந்தைங்கள் என்னை அம்மானு கூப்பிடும் பொழுது ரியலி ஐ ஃபீல் very extremely blessed and I feel so blessed really. அந்த குழந்தைகளை நம்ம பெறாத குழந்தைகள் ஒரு 1000 குழந்தைகளை நான் பெற்றெடுத்த ஒரு அனுபவம் இருக்குது. So teaching profession and teacher is a wonderful service, really. I consider as a service, and especially in this village area, no, we get pure innocent love because city children, they get so much of exposure in many things, but village children, no, really we are blessed to get that innocent love and affection from them. So sometimes we need to be strict also, but they understand. Nowadays children understand very well that madam is stricting us, teachers are stricting us only for our good. So to see them like that, it's very really encouraging us and really good for the society and for the future. Yes, ma'am. And it is our duty to build a better and stronger and a selfless society. So it is in our hands. Okay? Cheer up, work hard, and service to the society. Yes, the society needs more and more of our services, really. Thank you, Ma. God bless you all.
Thank
And
you,
I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to the teachers in the whole world. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day to all teachers like me, like us. Thank you.